the goal with this activity is to really loosen up the torso, and you're going to get some major gains. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to set up a bar in a rack just like so. You'll notice it's off kilter. And you might be thinking, Zach, do you just not have the capability of getting the bar lined up? That may be true. However, that is useful for this particular activity because I'm going to have you do it on an offset position. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to set up to do a push-up with the barbell being offset. So I'm going to grip the bar just like so. I want to push my chest away and exhale without crunching. And then in my lowers, you can let the knees soften just a little bit. Make sure you get a nice settled tuck. From here, you're going to simply do some push-ups. Make sure your elbows aren't flaring out. You want them to be kind of pulled in a little bit. The bending the bar cue works pretty well here, so think about bending the bar slightly. And you're just going to do some push-ups, making sure you lower your body as a unit. Inhale down, exhale up. Make sure you get a full reach to the top. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.